found the freshman boot camp important to me because it helped me to figure out exactly where I stood in my math skills compared to other freshmen entering the College of Engineering, and helped me get placed into the proper class for that incoming fall semester, my first semester of college. My favorite part was being able to just hang out with friends a week before school. You would go to camp in the mornings and early afternoons and basically do math all day, but after that your schedule was completely free to hang out with your new friends and meet people and form connections so that you weren't starting the semester feeling too alone.
I didn't attend freshman boot camp, unfortunately, because I came in fall of 2020, everything was online, but I served as a counselor for this past year, and it was a really great time. You got to meet everybody. It was a much more chill experience than you would think it would be. I really liked the evening events where everybody got to play games together, watch a movie, eat dinner. It was a really great time to get to know the new engineering students, welcome them to Lamar, and make some new friends.
Most of my favorite parts were just all of it combined. Obviously, we did have math classes, but they were pretty exciting. We went over some material that was about 1/4 of my actual calculus class in the first year. And we had relay races, we had a lot of fun games as well, and we definitely got to enjoy movie nights together. We were able to bond, and once we got to our first class, we weren't strangers so much.
I got to meet a lot of my study group that I still have. It really knocked off a lot of the rust on all of the old math skills that you don't really get to use as much in high school. It scrapes off a lot of the stuff that you haven't used since like middle school, which does come back in the classes that you take in college.
I think the main thing that freshman boot camp helped me with was just getting my basics in algebra back to get me ready for calculus, because you'd be surprised at how much information you lose track of. And also another thing that it helped me get ready for was meeting my future professors, because my professor that I met at boot camp is my professor for calculus now, and because I met her earlier, it's easier for me to communicate with her.
Well, I think freshman boot camp was like having your first day with like-minded people, so when you got to your first class, it wasn't really like you were new there and you knew the campus already. Yes, I am glad. I was nervous at first because it was my first time like being on my own, but I'm definitely glad that I went and met new people, so I wasn't brand new when I got here.
My advice is to find an upperclassman, whether it's a sophomore, junior, or senior. Find somebody that you relate to and get involved in the orgs that you're involved in, because the earlier you get involved in the orgs, the more comfortable you feel being on campus, and the quicker you're able to figure out which type of engineering you want to be.
Joining your professional organization is really beneficial in terms of getting an internship or co-op or even a full-time offer when you graduate. And it's also just really great to make friends, going to the social events, meetings, professional development seminars. Whatever your major is, if you're joining AKE or ASME, or even the industrial and electrical engineers, join your professional organization. It'll benefit you a lot.
Come to the boot camp, it definitely helps, and make connections with other students, get to know some of the senior students, sophomores, juniors. They'll definitely be able to help you out.